At the beginning of the year, you might find yourself, like I did, a little scattered about where to fit kids' time slots. This was probably the best feature for me to just kind of have the ability to, oh, we're going to do Johnny Jones on Tuesday. I'm going to have to go at 8:30 or put him down here. Maybe Friday's not going to work. So, and this always changes, but you just have the freedom to just kind of work your schedule, and that's why I like this setup a lot. And having it in increments of 30 minutes, this really helped. And then a lot of times to give myself a visual of how much time I'm going to need to drive, I might put drive from like 9:30 to 10 if I know that it's going to take me a while to get over to like the next school. You can also write in your planning time. Um, and all of this you can just move around, which is nice. So if I have to change my planning, I just click it, drag, and move it over. And usually I like to use this one as like my hard copy of what an ideal week will look like. And then usually what I actually end up doing is my weeks kind of get customized every week. So Saturday, Sunday night, I will sit and plan up for the coming week where I have to fit in testing, or maybe like have to go over and check in on a student, check on my consult kids, all of those. So, but I like to have like a nice little hard copy of what it should look like ideally.
And if you are finding that you need larger time slots than 30 minutes, you can merge these cells together. So like we have Johnny Jones here in an hour-long block, and that makes that whole hour-long block movable. So to merge those, if you click and highlight both of them, you'll see a little icon here for merging. It is this right here. And you can say merge vertically, and that will make that one block together. If you decide to add another block into that, so it's now going to go through 9:30, you can change the time, and you can go ahead and make your other cell green. And then you can take all those cells, use that same icon, merge them vertically, and now you have a new block that you could also move around as needed.